Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, your career situation and relationship, Taurus. I'll be picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. These cards are for your relationship, and I'll be picking more cards for your career situation, guys, Taurus. So these are for your career situation. So let's see what are these cards, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle guidance, guys, crystal spirits. So we will open that card at last. So that will be your crystal spirit guidance for the day, guys. That will be a general guidance. So it may answer any questions you have in your situation. So what you need to do today, guys. So let's start with your daily energies first, guys. Taurus, it's 7 of swords in reverse, 4 of wands in reverse, and the chariot. So with these cards in your situation, guys, you are a very, a honest person, a straightforward person. So all your, in whatever you are focusing your attention on, you try to do it with that discipline. Whatever path that you choose for yourself, you are a very disciplined and a confident person, and you have that concentration, that focus, let it be your work or let it be something in your personal life, this relationship. You are certain what should be your path, and you proceed in a positive way in your situation. And I see that you are moving towards some new beginning in your life today. It may be something in your career, or again something in your relationship. So some new beginning, that is what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, there are people coming towards you with some information. It may be something like a gossip or some third hand information, but whatever it is, you are not listening to it. So that good advice is being neglected. And I also see that in your situation, guys, Taurus, you may triumph over the obstacles you are facing in your situation, and things are falling into place bit by bit. You see what you know right now, what went wrong in your situation, maybe in your relationship or again in your career. So you know what you need to do today to make things right for yourself, for your life, for your situation, guys. And you need to listen to people, guys, Taurus. That is what I would say. So that is the energy here. You are not listening to good advice, good counsel. So you need to listen to others. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We have 3 of swords in reverse, page of wands in reverse, and 3 of cups. So in your situation today, guys, it may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them. Maybe today you are meeting with someone, maybe it may be an accidental meet. You are meeting your past person, somebody who has left you, or you have left them. You don't want to see them again in your life, but you are seeing them today. Maybe it may be quite a surprise for you, meeting them all of a sudden like this. So this was not an intended meeting. It may be something like an accident or a surprise. Maybe you are it is something like a surprise because in your heart of hearts you are happy that you have met this person. Maybe you wanted to say some things to them, and you got that opportunity today. You have that opportunity to say, speak your mind, maybe tell it out. Or maybe you wanted to show them how you are today, maybe how well you are doing today in your life. So that may again be the energy here, guys. You are really good, in a good place in your life today. Maybe in this new connection you are happy, you have that emotional satisfaction, and you are celebrating something, and you are also meeting this past person. Or maybe for some of you, you are happy that you have met them after a long time. So maybe for some of you it may be a reconciliation, guys. Or for some of you, you are just having that opportunity to speak your mind today, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. So we'll be opening these cards here. We pick 3 more cards. So it is Tower, 7 of Pentacles, and the Lovers in reverse. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, you are going through some changes in your life, guys. Some inevitable changes, things that are not of use to you, or things that may not work for you. All that is changing. You are changing yourself from that old patterns, whatever was not working for you. And this change may appear as something worrying you, stressing you a lot. But you need to understand that these changes are necessary for you to have that new approach in life, have that new success in life. So that is the reason we see these changes in your situation, guys, Taurus. And I also see that in your career you may be seeing some new opportunities coming your way, but you have to make some mature decisions, guys. If you want success, if you want to maintain that success, you have to go for that deep thoughtful decisions in your situation, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Taurus. So let us see what is the card for your general guidance, the crystal spirits guidance. It's pink sapphire. So this card just means that forgiveness. That is what this card is about, guys. To let go, have that acceptance. So when you have that acceptance in your heart, you will be able to face any situation with that kindness, love, and compassion in your heart, guys. So in your career situation or in your relationship, this forgiveness leads to healing. So you will heal from your past, and it will increase your potential in your day-to-day life. So that is the guidance for you all today, guys, Taurus, and that is the reading. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.